Hey everyone, this is Umesh and welcome to my honest review of the invisible traffic system. So in this video, I will give you quick summary of this what is system is, and I will give you my exclusive $497 bonus package then I am giving you for free, and also we will watch provided by vendors videos in the sales page. So my goal is to give you all information neat and fast, then you can make the best decision. So friends, without wasting your time, so let's get started. So what is the invisible traffic system? In a nutshell, the invisible traffic system, that's a complete new training method way. So how can you exactly get your free viral traffic from the YouTube without showing your face? It uses 5 to 10 minutes AI video method to create faceless video that are very popular right now. So this is a perfect for beginner or anyone who wants to actually build a real affiliate business by growing an email list right now. Now that you know what it is, so let me show you the incredible deal. I have a special deal for you today. So friend, when you scroll up, so the most important thing, the invisible traffic system actually live on Friday 10 October 10 a.m. Eastern time, which is New York time. And my exclusive bonuses you are about to see, exclusive $497 will expire when this timer hit the 0. So friend, if you decide to get this system, make sure get it through my link to receive my all bonus package at value $497 for free. So when you scroll down, so here is my exclusive bonuses. You can see that. So my first bonus you get the perfect checklist. So this help you to create professional review videos. So I am currently using this checklist, so I am giving you. And bonus number 2, the viral hooks templates. This is to instantly grab attention. And bonus number 3, my top 10 AI tools I am giving you, so actually help you to save hundreds of dollars every single month. And bonus number 4, my personal beginner's guide to guide you on your journey. When will you start your affiliate journey or digital marketing field? And bonus number 5, this is my personal pro masterclass thumbnail. So this is complete video training course, 5 to 10 minutes. So I am giving you, so you easily get more clicks and more views. So this is exactly three step method. So you don't need any type of extra skill. Just follow these 3 steps, and you could be create clickable thumbnails. So exact I am providing you. And this is my bonus number 6, my personal support system. In this time I will providing you, so when you get stuck, so I will personally help you. So and when you scroll down, so here is my official vendor bonuses. So all vendor bonuses you will get when you pick up so inside the member area, so you could access vendor bonuses. So all the vendor bonuses and my exclusive bonuses. So if you really decided, so all my exclusive bonuses you will get. So when you scroll down, so here is the yellow button inside this sales page actually. So just click and also given inside this, here is the. So there are two button, yellow button. Okay, actually inside given you can access easily. So just click one of them, and just when you click this yellow button, okay, so direct go to this sales page. Just wait guys. So here is, you can see that guys, here is the sales page of this invisible traffic system. So okay, so when you scroll down, so here you can see that all the things about the, before pick up the product you must read according to your time. Okay, so here you can see that, so all about it there. So here is the instant access button. So I think because in this time not showing, because this time not launching, because launching time actually 10th October, okay, 10 a.m. Eastern time. So that's why, so I am not showing you. Okay, so after 10th October, so after launch this product, so you could be easily see the button, instant button. So just click the instant button, and after you will pick up the front end or any audio of the product, so you will get my all exclusive bonuses. Just scroll down, so here is to direct redirect to one of these, okay, Warrior Plus or JBU, don't confuse. Okay, so when you pick up the, okay, product, you will get the product. So after you will get purchase, okay, receive this type of. So here is the blue button. So actually inside the my exclusive, my bonus link. So just click the button, yellow button, and you enter some email, and you will access my all exclusive bonuses through your email, and as well as JVZoo after. Okay, when you will get this type of, okay, receipt, and here is blue button. So is inside the my bonus link inside this. So just click and enter email, and you will get my all exclusive bonuses. So guys, this is so simple, and okay, you easily can, okay, access my all exclusive bonuses. Okay, you have seen my amazing bonus offer. So let's see if the product is actually worth it, and we will watch some clips from the official vendors videos, and finally I will give you my honest opinion.
What if you could trigger 276,000 views in just 21 days without showing your face, without recording a voiceover, without running ads, and without spending hours making videos? It sounds impossible, but that's exactly what happened to Shane Nathan. And today for the...
Oh, these big claims. Okay, these benefits without showing your face. That's the real problem solver for the vegans.
First time ever, he's revealing how he did it. What you're about to discover is not the usual YouTube tips you've seen before. There's no talking head content, no jumping on trends, no thumbnail clickbait. Instead, it's a completely different kind of YouTube channel. A faceless, AI-powered format that's designed to bring you ongoing passive income for life. It taps into a strange algorithm trigger and quietly pulls in thousands of views per day completely free. It's what we call the invisible traffic system, and it's built for people who want free traffic, tons of email subscribers, and massive passive income without being on camera or creating traditional content. Now, if you don't know Shane, let me explain why this matters. Shane Nathan is the general manager at Warrior Plus, one of the leading digital product
Guys, do you know about the Shane Nathans? I am just telling
platforms.
Okay guys, so Shane Nathans, okay, is a huge, this is the Shane Nathans, the creator, top expert at a Warrior Plus. He knows what actually works. And this is also pro affiliate market and top 10 vendor You can see that. Okay, top 5% vendor, and it comes to top 10% affiliated. And also this is a follower huge and 30,000 plus already sales he made, and 19 product features on the ad. Okay, warrior plus, you can see that every already 4 to 5 average rating, 4.5 base. So you can easily trust this person, this one, and this Nathan, okay, created by this invisible traffic system.
With millions of customers. So if you've ever opened a deal of the day email or a featured promotion from Warrior Plus, you've seen Shane's name. He's not just anyone, he's the one choosing which products get featured, promoted, and spotlighted every day. He reviews hundreds of offers and launches every week. He sees everything, which offers are working and which offers are not. So when someone like Shane finds something that's getting results like this, you pay attention. And that's exactly what I did. You see, a few weeks ago, Shane started posting screenshots of one of these faceless channels he built, and the numbers were crazy. We're talking 276,000 plus views in 21 days, 1,000 plus new subscribers, all from videos that took minutes to produce and don't show his face or voice. So I messaged him immediately and I said, "What the heck are you doing? Tell me more." And at the time, he wasn't planning to release this as a low-ticket product. In fact, he was going to offer it quietly in a small $997 private group. And I was the first person to jump in and pay. What happened next is what brings us here today, because instead of keeping it private, we decided to team up and bring this to the Warrior Plus community. This system is about one thing: turning invisible videos into visible traffic and visible traffic into income. It works for the two channels Shane has built, and both of them use AI tools to create videos fast. Both are completely faceless channels, and both have gone viral, and with just 10 minutes put into each video. And this same strategy can be applied to all kinds of niches and topics. And we're not just showing you what Shane did, we're giving you the full system so you can do it too. Inside Invisible Traffic System, you'll discover the exact faceless formats that are working right now, how to create stunning viral videos in just minutes using free and low-cost AI tools, how to trigger the algorithm to give you tons of free traffic even as a brand new channel, and most importantly, how to turn that traffic into an email list that you control and into real revenue using simple monetization steps. Even if you've never uploaded a video before, even if you have no audience, no camera, and no editing skills, this system makes it possible to build a traffic-generating channel fast and grow it like an asset you fully own. As you start getting all this traffic, you can direct it to your own email list, affiliate products, your own products or services, all kinds of merch. You name it, this is your traffic to do with as you please. But not only that, you'll find yourself getting monetized by YouTube really fast because of the massive number of views you're getting. Remember, this isn't theory. It's not what could work. This is what's already working right now for Shane and others who followed his model. And you're getting access to the full system today for far less than what Shane originally planned to charge. So here's your next step. Scroll down, click the button, and get instant access to the Invisible Traffic System. You'll see exactly what Shane did, how he did it, and how you can follow it step by step, even starting from zero. It's your chance to build a faceless, freedom-focused channel that brings in free traffic, email subscribers, and passive income, all without being on camera and without having to be YouTube famous. If you're ready for that, then Shane and I will see you on the inside.
Okay, after watching this self-recorded vendors video in this sales page, so knowing who the creator is, so my honest opinion, the invisible traffic system is legitimate and powerful tools. It's not a magic button, right? You have to work daily with consistency, but the it's provide clear roadmap to get free traffic even without being on camera. So I believe it worth it the price. So now let's about the audio. Okay, so there are the some audio. So when you scroll down, here is, see? So here is, you can see that. So there are the some optional audios or funnels. Okay, so my honest advice is, so front is okay, $70 is enough to get start, and if you want to fast start, so I think you go with done for you niche package. Okay, so which is just $17 only. And also if you serious about to making money, so you go with 10 way to monetize invisible traffic to get traffic into income. So my honest opinion, go with this $17 is enough to start. So here is, you can see that the 10 way to monetize invisible traffic, $47. Okay, AI course bundle, 18 AI courses, $197, and channel flipping system, $27, and done for you pack, yes, okay, $17. Faceless channel fast start toolkit, $27, and new YouTube sales machine, $497. So don't worry, go with this. Okay, front end is enough. After you some okay made commission, so go with this 10 way to monetize invisible traffic. So enough. So this is my honest opinion. So that's everything you need to about this invisible traffic system, right? So just reminded you, if you pick up the invisible traffic system through my special link, so you can get my entire $497 Kickstarter system and my personal support system with free. So this is a limited time for during launch. So if you are ready to start faceless affiliate business, so the link in the very first link in the video description below, go and claim my entire bonus package and get started. So thank you for watching this my invisible traffic review system. So take care friend, and bye.